Hello friends, today I will tell you about Microsoft Teams. It is a app. It is a app of, for teaching. It today a new option come on Microsoft Teams. It is so easy. Go in that picture, go in the settings, and then go at devices, and it is the new noise suppression. It was auto default. It was not any option. It was only auto default for background noise suppression. If the background voice is coming and we are talking and mic is on and the voice, but now noise suppression is come when we do it to high from high, the background voice can't be come. Only if someone come uh, come no, near to the laptop and say like this, okay, only then only his voice will be audible. It is a new option, but it is best. And and we can and the advantage of Microsoft Teams is see this is work week. At work week, see at work week it is of the full week work week and it is day. If any day is a class, see, like one day our class was like this. See, they are the classes that are on the holidays. And see, it is so easy to click and it is so smooth. It has it has teams. In teams, see, and it have forms also. Microsoft Forms. It have you can log in it from Office Microsoft 365 or Office 365. It is calls. In calls, it is we can we can call anyone.